Well, hi there, this is Wesley. So I wanted to show a little bit of some fun of adventure of the fun adventure nature and the blossom of the pollen or the colorful um, leaves and stuff. So anyways, I just thought I wanted just to show that, and here it is. And I like these colorful leaves that are on the bush. I don't know if these are going to turn into that soon, and then it's going to turn into for the bees to come and get the pollen, or maybe all of this is just going to turn into like this right there. I don't know. That's just all of my guessing that I just mentioned, and I just like the color of the nature and God created, with this wonderful fun adventure of the nature and the way how things are it kind of stands out with the color and on down there stuff. And but anyways, yeah, so all right, well, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, and all right, bye bye.